This tutorial is for Cultural Crossing, a website that offers cultural information about different countries. I selected this website because it includes a variety of information about countries, including information that is relevant for our unit on schools in Costa Rica and how to talk about school in Spanish. To access this website, go to this URL, www.culturecrossing.net. Once you are on the home page, find information on schools in Costa Rica by clicking on the Culture Guide. This will lead you to a world map where you will click on Central and South America, then Costa Rica, which is the second country to the north of South America, right here. The class rules section under students is the most relevant for our unit, but anything under basics is important as well. If you have a question that isn't answered on the page, you can ask an expert via the link on the side, Ask an Expert, right here. With this guide, you can learn many useful facts about countries, including Costa Rica.